Hi, I'm Samar Khanna, and I studied at the University of Warwick, where I received my Master's in Economics back in 2010. I have been working in the asset research team in Willis Tower Watson for the past 10 years as a capital market strategist and macroeconomist. Leading the macroeconomics research agenda has been a very interesting role, and I'd like to take you through a couple of facets of this role that I've been involved with. Primarily, it includes generating growth, inflation, and rate forecasts for major economies across the globe. This process involves creating and constantly updating economic outlooks for these major economies. Once we've created these outlooks, we then communicate them with consultants and clients across the globe. One of the other interesting parts of this role has been working with other members of the asset research team to see how our economic outlooks inform our asset class views and to create recommendations which are pertinent to clients and consultants. Scenario analysis is also a very important part of my day-to-day job, where we look at risks around the economics outlooks and suggest recommendations to mitigate those risks. My work not only involves thinking about the short to medium-term economic outlooks, but also thinking deeply about themes and trends over the longer term, such as climate change, inequality, aging demographics, and so on and so forth. To give you a flavor of my day-to-day work, I just wanted to take you through a couple of things that I've been involved with over the past few months. Of course, the impact of the pandemic on growth prospects across the globe have been an important part of my work, where we have tracked the epidemiological situation, the monetary and fiscal stimulus that various authorities have brought about, and the public health policy response to really form a view on where these economies will stand over the next few years. Another project I have been involved in was the US elections and the impact of Biden policies and Trump policies on the US economic outlook. Closer to home, I have looked at the impact of a hard Brexit on UK growth prospects and what that would mean for its monetary and fiscal policy as well as inflation outlooks. The other projects I've been involved with are US-China trade wars, sovereign debt in the Eurozone, and the emergence of emerging markets and how best to position our portfolios over there. So quite a varied and quite an interesting job role I have had for the past few years. Thank you.